To all of you, greetings, hello, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Why? In the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu was a weekend. The news that BOIN, a token designed for use on shibaswap, can be used to pay gas fees on Shiba Inu seems to be the impetus for today's activity. In a move that will please the bigoted Shiba family, the cryptocurrency Barium has been added to the Layer 2 network's crypto exchange. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Before I go into depth, please subscribe to my channel and toggle the notification bell on. The Shiba Inu population will expand with our help. If you find this useful, subscribe and enable bell notifications to show your support. There is no weak link among us. If you want the Shiba Inu community to flourish, use the hashtag Shiba Inu in your comments. Dudes, come on while the community waits for Binance's decision on listing BOIN. This token will allow investors to cast votes on governance proposals and pay associated fees. The Shiba Inu team is making progress in their goal of generating excitement for the upcoming upgrades to the network. With this move after hitting record lows relative to rival meme token Dogecoin, the impressive year-to-date rally in Shib of approximately 65% at the time of this writing has narrowed the gap once again. In spite of BOIN's recent listing on a cryptocurrency exchange, investors will likely want to see wider adoption of this token on other major exchanges before this network's launch. However, this information has had a major impact on the Shiba Inu price momentum, with investors clearly betting that further gains are possible. The upcoming Shiba Barium upgrade may offer significant benefits to users after Siberian's release. Investors will be keenly interested in monitoring key metrics like transaction volumes and development activity. Currently, this is the type of hype-driven catalyst that could lead to a further rally in this high-beta token. With these integration particulars, Shiba Inu payments can be used at any online. As of this update, Shiba Inu can be used at a wider variety of online merchants. The virtual debit card offered by FKF Pay, a Canadian crypto payments platform, made this possible. FKF claims that this integration makes these cryptocurrencies usable on any online store around the globe. Netflix and Amazon are among the many retailers that take the prepaid cards. Shiba Inu is supported by multiple cryptocurrencies and payment systems as of November 2022. To use Binance payment system, Binance is an exchange for the cryptocurrency and payment technology known as Shiba. Because of this, businesses utilizing the technology could start accepting payments and Shib. By the end of 2022, over 60 million businesses around the world would accept Shib payments, thanks to the Binance card, which announced Shiba Inu support in August 2022. To her eyes, support for making payments keeps mounting. It has been reported that FKF Pay has seen a record number of Shiba Inu payments for its virtual debit cards. Bitcoin was the best performing coin by volume in 2022, according to data compiled by BitPay, a cryptocurrency payment processor. In 2022, Shib sales increased by 1,233%. As more and more retailers began accepting the cryptocurrency as payment for everything from high-end automobiles and designer clothes to meal delivery services like Uber Eats. Digital currencies are becoming increasingly accepted as a form of currency. Major shifter Shib is still relatively close to its all-time highs, though most cryptocurrencies experienced losses on Monday. Shiba Inu held steady at the start of the week, with prices remaining relatively close to recent. Most cryptocurrencies went down today as markets continued to react to the United States' historically low unemployment rate. Today's trading for Avalanche was near its weekly low, even though crypto markets as a whole were falling on Monday. Shiba Inu continued to trade near its recent highs. Earlier today, Shib reached a high of 148, which follows Sunday's low of 141. On Saturday, the coin hit a new 4-month high of 159. But since then it has fallen as investors and traders take profit. In the past week, whales have taken 8.7 quintillion Shiba Inus. Shib is now their most important property. Shiba Inu can do dip, assuming the Shiba Inu price is unable to break above the 155 resistance level. A gradual decline is possible near the 0.14 level. For example, you'll find some initial support on the downside. The 135 area represents initial sturdy support. It's close to the 50% fib retracement level of the upward move from the 113 swing low to the 157 high. The 1 to 5 area represents the next significant support. It is possible that if the 125 level is broken to the downside, the price could continue falling until it reaches the 115 level of support. Observable increases in the activity of Shiba Inu. Have we reached a bullish climax? Sentiment, a provider of on-chain analytics, reports a recent uptick in the number of whale transactions involving Shiba Inus. Aside from Shiba, Cardano and Hex have also experienced unusually high levels of whale activity recently. The number of transactions on the network involving a change of coins worth more than 100,000 per transaction is the relevant indicator here. If this metric has a high value, then many transactions are being made at once by whales of that cryptocurrency. Such a pattern indicates that these massive holders are currently actively engaged in trading the asset because the whales' transactions tend to be so massive, they may collectively create noticeable waves in the market. For this reason, an increase in the number of transactions made by whales may indicate that price swings are on the horizon for the coin in question. Now, this chart displays this indicator's movement over the past few months for three different breeds: Shiba Inu, Cardano, and Hex. There has been an uptick in the indicator's value for both Cardano and Hex, with the latter seeing its highest point since May 11th and the former seeing its highest point since November 6th, thanks to the spikes in both cases. According to this data, whales have been extremely active in trading these alternative cryptocurrencies. Previously, we saw that when these mega investors got involved in the market, it led to a period of extreme volatility. Since Shib, Ada, Hex are all experiencing a rise at the moment, it's possible that they too will experience significant price changes in the near future. It's difficult to predict where the prices of cryptocurrencies might go given their high degree of volatility, even though increased activity may indicate buying from the whales, which is a bullish signal in and of itself. When these investors sell, however, the same pattern emerges, which could be a bearish sign for the price. Since last month 17th, when 23 Shib in 24-hour supply has been regularly reduced due to Shiba Inu burns, more than 54 and 93 million Shiba Inu were killed in last week's weekly fires. The Shib Burn Initiative, also known as Shib Superstore, was organized by the community and carried out the largest weekly burn ever recorded. This week's largest sheep burn occurred on January 30th, when two transactions from the anonymous wallet and Shib Superstores, a total of 21.99 million Shib to the Inferno address, a total of 11.83 million Shib were burned in the fire at Shib Superstore, while 10.15 million Shib were consumed by the mysterious wallet and the most recent fire. Since the beginning of this year, Shiba Inu have been consistently in the spotlight and breaking previous records. The canine-themed cryptocurrency recently regained its $8 billion market capitalization, surpassing Polkadot to become the 12th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Polkadot is currently worth $7.64 billion in market cap. Shiba Inu is 21.28. Weekly gain puts it ahead of the rest of the cryptocurrency market and contributes to its stellar performance. On the other hand, Shiba Inu has been making huge strides in establishing itself as a market leader, especially in terms of adoption. Shiba Inu has recently broken another payment record with FKF Pay's virtual debit card service. You're welcome for watching. Please hit that like button and sign up for my channel. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next clip.